मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. मैं definitely बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ because अगर anti-aging products मेरे पे काम कर रहे हैं तो that means I'm aging, which is why anti-aging products are working on me. Hi. Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Glossips. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out something new because before this I wasn't well aware of a thing called Collagen Eye Masks, and I'm sure कि वहाँ पे और भी बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे होंगे who are not very aware of what a collagen eye mask or basically what collagen even is. So I'm going to be testing these Body Blends collagen eye masks today. I found them really funky and really cool, so I was like, I'm going to try out weird skincare products that I think the normal people don't really know much about, and so I was like, this is what I'm doing today. This mask right here is a gel mask. My hair is a mess today, I know. But this one is a gel mask, and I'll show you why I said that these are so cool. I'll link them down in the description box where you can get this from. I'll link the Insta down below and also the website. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys why I said this is so cool. Look at the colors! Look at it! So this is the pink one. This is the white one. The white one doesn't really excite me much. Look at this, it's freaking shimmery, like what? And this is the silver one right here. You see that? Yeah. Okay, I don't know, the golden or the silver. I think I'll use the silver one right now, or the golden one. I'm going to use the golden one. हमारी skin की जो elasticity है, it all depends on collagen basically. तो जब किसी को wrinkles आ जाते हैं और लोगों के eye bags बनना शुरू हो जाते हैं, swollen आंखें हो जानी शुरू हो जाती हैं, all of that is because of less collagen in the body. तो अब इस तरह के जो masks होते हैं, they basically tend to boost the collagen in your body, ताकि जब आपकी skin के अंदर जब वो collagen को दोबारा recirculate करके boost करेगा, तो it's going to make your skin look younger. Now, whenever I read anything about these collagen masks, so people had much better benefits by using it in a longer term. तो जब आप इनको longer term पे use करते रहते हो, like 2 to 3 times in 2 times in a week or something, so इसके long time effects would be probably better. मुझसे कोई aged auntie बात करती हैं या कोई भी aged लोग मुझसे बात करते हैं, तो उनका पहला regret ये होता है कि we wish that we had started skincare earlier. So you know, it's better for people above 25 to start using such things. Basically, I'm just 22 right now, just 3 years away from being 25 वैसे तो, लेकिन I was like, I'm going to test this out for you guys. अब there is a reality to this कि मेरे कोई ज़्यादा eye bags नहीं हैं और मेरे कोई eyes के नीचे wrinkles भी नहीं हैं. So मैं उस तरह से नहीं बता पाऊँगी, to be very honest, कि did it help me and all of that. लेकिन अगर it's going to soothe my skin, अगर it's going to give me a fresher look, and if it's going to give some results like a soothing effect, some cooling effect, so I'll be able to tell you guys about that. I guess women above 25 should start using such skincare products or should start taking care of their skin abhi se, ताकि आगे जाके they have fresher skin. This is what they come in, and there is an opening over here like this. Open up, baby. So these are what they look like, and they're very jelly-ish. You guys can see they're so jelly-ish. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna pick this one up and put it here. This is so sparkly. I would have loved it if it was like shedding glitter or something. ठीक है, तो you guys can see कि ये मैंने यहाँ पे लगा लिया है. This is so boogy. I like it. This is so soft, man. So I have these collagen eye masks on, and I'm just gonna let them do their work. अच्छा, so इसके पीछे लिखा हुआ है कि wear for 20 to 30 minutes. So let me see कि अभी time क्या हो रहा है. अभी हो रहे हैं 3:27, so 4 बजे would be like 30 minutes. So I'm going to keep these on for 20 to 30 minutes and see कि क्या होता है. So these are here, and let's wait for like what, 20 to 30 minutes, and I'll be back. I'll be back. Why am I being such a weirdo today? Oof Allah.
One eternity later.
Now I'm just gonna like take these off. Like that. Damn, how do you throw such things? To be honest, this area feels. मैं पूरी शक्ल को अगर हाथ लगाऊं फिर इस जगह को हाथ लगाऊं, dude, this area is super hydrated. It feels like my skin. This feels like I don't know what. Feels like it needs like tons of moisturizer. और ये वाली जगह is very soft. And I suddenly feel like मेरी आंखें पहले जो थोड़ी सी पता है यहाँ से they actually get like swollen. Especially जब मैं सो के उठती हूँ तो फिर यहाँ से इतनी इतनी फूली हुई होती हैं. Anybody can tell if I've slept the night earlier or not. So I hadn't slept so well tonight. So I hadn't slept at all last night. So this is actually better. I thought ये मेरे पे काम नहीं करेगा इस तरह से, but it definitely did. हो सकता है मेरी भी age आ गई हो सकता है I'm also aging and I'm supposed to be taking care of my skin the way these people do. मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. हाय अल्लाह. उफ अल्लाह मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. This is so bad. मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. Anti-aging products are working on me. मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. Anti-aging products are working on me. मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. मतलब I am aging. Oh, ये क्या हो रहा है? मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. मैं definitely बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ because अगर anti-aging products मेरे पे काम कर रहे हैं तो that means I'm aging, which is why anti-aging products are working on me. हाय ये क्या हो रहा है? मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. I don't sound like a man, but अभी फिलहाल I just मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. Oh. मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. So basically, the collagen eye mask is a good thing to go for if you're an elder lady and if you're an elder man, whatever. क्योंकि skincare products skin सबके पास होती है. You're be a man or a woman. तो अगर you guys are into skincare products and all that stuff, so you guys can get yourself collagen sheet masks and just start using them. Collagen face masks भी होते हैं. Face masks. Collagen face masks भी होते हैं. Sorry. Last try Fatma. Collagen face masks भी होते हैं. So they're supposed to boost the collagen in your entire face, your whole face, entire face, on your whole face. तो उनका भी फायदा वही होता है जो इन collagen eye masks का होता है. So this was just a teeny weeny bit of video or a little bit of information that I wanted to share with you guys, and so I did. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys want me to make like videos like this more often, do let me know in the comment section below, and love you guys. Bye.